Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my family room, and today I have the Metene pulse oximeter, and I'm gonna check this one out. If you've been watching my channel, you see I've gotten several different pulse oximeters because I have a few different people in my family and stuff, and I want them all to have one, and I just figured, why should we all have the same one? Because they're all different things. Let's just mix it up a bit. So this one here is the Metene one. And I'm going to compare it to the other ones as well, so we'll be able to see what it is. But here we can see the pulse oximeter. It's got this manual is big. Very paper, big manual. All the instructions of how to use it. I mean, for the most part, I have the basics of how to use it. You stick your finger inside the little meter, and it tells you what your oxygen level is. And if it's upper 90s, you're usually good. There's the one there. Comes with the little lanyard and the batteries, so it's nice that it comes with its own batteries. Let's open this one up. Okay, and put these in. If it's like every other pulse oximeter I've gotten, you basically push the button and then it tells you what it is. So it's reading it right now. And I am at 90. Now I've got the light on, but you turn it off there, and now you can see it better. Yes, way better, 95. Yeah, 95% of oxygen is good, and 84 on my pulse. So, it seems to work pretty good. Yeah, we're up to 98 now, so it's 98. And then I have other ones here, so I have another similar one. This one here is a different brand, but this is the one I had been using for myself. So these ones here, I'm getting just for family members and stuff like that. But you can see it looks almost the same, just different colors for sure. Oh, but this one goes upside down this way, and this one goes upside up this way. That's kind of funny. So it does it like that. And let's just do a comparison here. The Metene one seems to work better as far as shaking and moving and stuff because it's still keeping my oxygen level on there. I know the other one I have to be so still for it ever to do it. See, it's not even coming up. There it is. So it's at 99% and the other one's at 98. We're pretty close. The pulse is 74 versus 78, 73. So it's pretty close. And I would say the pulse, oh, there we are now. Yeah, they're pretty much almost lining up right now as far as the pulse and everything and the oxygen level. I guess it just took a couple of seconds for it to do it, but it is still off by 1 or 2 on the pulse, which is weird because you would think that pumping would be the same on both hands. But it's pretty cool. And this one here, see, the one thing I didn't like about it is it faces this way. And so to read it, I kind of have to go like this. For this one here, I can just, hold my hand out and read it, and I'm good to go. So it's easier to read for sure. So yeah, I like it. Let's see what the lanyard looks like on it. So take it off my hand here. So this is the lanyard here. So it seems pretty decent size. Let's put it in there. Where'd it go? Right there. Wow, it's a tiny little hole to put this big fat little lanyard in. Come on. Well, I'm gonna say it's not the easiest lanyard to put in. I see it there, come on. Okay, let's try this again here. I think this lanyard, the string is very soft, so it's just not making that turn. It's just not squeezing in there. I see it, it's just not, doesn't want to come out. Die. So I would say one of the cons is unless you're really good, you're not gonna be able to get this lanyard in there. Holy moly. It's like, I'm gonna show you here. So you see it kind of has to make the little turn right there. And it's coming through, but it's just not coming all the way up. There, finally, wow. Now I have to get it out of that little hole. There we go, okay. Oof, finally, wow. That was a lot of work. But there we go. So there, so now it'll hang from there. It seems like it's pretty durable, so I can put it on my neck. So if someone's working as a nurse or something like that and they need to carry it around all day, super easy to carry and use right there. Just put it in and go. So I'm gonna say it's pretty cool. So it looks good. So it's the Metene pulse oximeter. It seems pretty accurate when I compared it to my other ones that I've been using all the time. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. And pretty good. It seems pretty durable and all. I mean, they're not too complex, but I would say it's real good. I like it. Oh, I forgot to say, be sure and subscribe and like this video because I need to get more viewers and more subscribers.